A major manhunt has been launched for a man believed to be responsible for setting his common-law wife and her business establishment on fire in Hanover. The woman remains hospitalized in critical condition after escaping the burning building with the help of residents. Anthony Lugg has the details.
Residents of Great River, Hanover, providing assistance to Nicola Clark moments after she was dosed with a chemical and allegedly set on fire by her common-law husband Wednesday evening. It's reported that about 5 p.m., the two had an argument when the man left and returned with a container said to contain gasoline. We're told that he threw it on Miss Clark as well as inside her shop. He then used a lighter to set both ablaze. Residents in the community are livid.
I remember they have a mother, and when they do this thing, they must pay for it, put to justice.
Oh, we can't feel good if we know our neighbor. Over there, some living, man. So as I wake up, I see cross the road. You see it?
Jenny,
yeah.
She very
yeah, man.
Lovely.
So everyone away has to go feel it. Right now, I mind the man when I fire to car. The man light him and run gone, and the man can't find it.
The police have since listed Emron Pilinar, otherwise called Robert Pilinar, or Tyrant, as a person of interest. He's wanted for questioning in connection with the injuries sustained by his girlfriend. Mr. Pilinar is said to frequent the communities of Russia and Burnt Savannah in Westmoreland. While the police continue their investigations into Wednesday's attack, Miss Clark remains hospitalized in critical condition. She's being treated for severe burns all over her body.
I'm sorry to hear, and I give my sympathy to her. And he might recover, you know.
The attacks on Miss Clark comes on the heels of a spate of domestic violence incidents.
No matter what you and a woman have, it better you separate and you go your business. I mean, definitely not support that. That's all I have to say.
Anthony Lugg, TVJ News.